On the control panel, there is a display area with 4 keys. The power key, which will switch your IQ Air system on or off, the arrow key to select the desired fan speed, the menu and the enter key, and an illustration of an IQ Air system with 3 filter life indicator lights. There is also an LED for the fan speed. The IQ Air control panel allows menus for advanced features of your system. These items can be accessed while the system is either on or off, as long as the device is plugged in.